Okay, this is our first video trying out using a YouTube channel to show our puppies to all their future families. Hey Becca, are you camera shy? You need your bangs cut. Becca is doing such a good job with her babies. You can see them all wiggling around here. They're 3 days old. One of our good helpers that's taken Becca out to the bathroom took her through the mud today, so she's got muddy paws. She needs a bath. Here's the puppies. This is their whelping pool. It's just a regular kids swimming pool that sits here in our office area in our house. We've had a couple people ask about the pool noodles here on the side. Those make it to where you can tell when she lays here, her back can't go underneath, and it leaves a little tunnel for the puppies where they can get away here and have space to still get air if she should happen to get somebody pinned back behind her. But she has been a very careful mama and is doing a great job. So there they are, all eating really good. Everybody has gained weight. You can start to see just today the curl in their hair is starting to show up from the poodle side. Rebecca's got a little wave too. She's got this funny little curl cowlick right on her front of her head there. She's had since she was a puppy. But you can see that in this puppy and several of them, the curl is starting to just come in today on day 3, showing up. So they are doing such a good job. There she is cleaning. She takes really good care of them. This black mat we have in the bottom of the box is a special whelping pad that is very absorbent. Even though Mama takes care of any pottying that they do at this time, it just helps to keep everything clean. It's washable and we switch it out, and it does a really good job of helping to keep the box dry without being something that she can bury them under. Lots of mama dogs have instinct to like to try and dig and hide their babies, and it has happened before, not with us personally, but with other breeders, that puppies can get buried if towels or blankets are used. So as soon as puppies are born, we take all towels and blankets and stuff out of the box. So you can see how good puppies get around on this too. It's not a slick surface. If puppies are on a slick surface, many times they can kind of get their legs splayed out too far and not develop quite as well. So this is a very grippy surface. You can see there with that little girl, she's able to, even at 3 days old, get a really good traction. So, okay, that's our setup, and this is Rebecca's April of 2018 litter of 8, 4 buffs and 4 blacks. And they are doing a really good job. Hey Becca girl. Hey Becca. Yeah, you're going to be camera shy, aren't you? There you are. You're such a good girl. Such a good girl. Yes. Alright.